In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your LinkedIn profile on the mobile app without sending notifications to your contacts. Whether you're tweaking your job title, adding new skills, or refreshing your education, sometimes you want to keep those edits quiet until you're ready. I'll walk you through the exact settings to adjust so you can make changes smoothly and privately. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. You should land on your homepage with your feed. At the top left, tap your profile photo to open your account options. From there, choose Settings. Think of this as your control center. This is where you manage everything related to your profile and privacy. Inside Settings, you'll see several categories. Tap Visibility. This section determines who can see your activity and what updates are shared with your network. Scroll until you find the area labeled either Visibility of your profile and network or Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. Different devices may show slightly different wording, but you're in the right place if you're looking at activity-related visibility controls. Now look for the option called Share Job Changes, Education Changes, and Work Anniversaries from Profile. Toggle this off. With this switch turned off, LinkedIn won't notify your connections when you update your job title, change employment details, or modify your education. It's a simple but powerful way to keep control over what gets broadcast to your network. While you're here, it's worth reviewing a couple of related options. For instance, you may also want to turn off Notify Connections when you are in the news. This helps you minimize unexpected alerts and maintain a consistent level of privacy across your activity. Adjust only what you're comfortable with, and remember you can return to this section anytime. Once your visibility settings are set, go back to your profile and make your edits. Update your title, refine your headline and bio, add new accomplishments, or adjust your education and skills. Take your time to review each change, and when you're satisfied, save your updates so everything applies correctly. With those settings in place, your network won't receive notifications about your edits, but your profile will still reflect your latest information for anyone who visits it directly. If you decide later that you do want to share updates more broadly, you can return to the same setting and turn it back on. And that's it. You've updated your LinkedIn profile quietly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.